Finally got this car moving. Got a new McLeod Street Clutch in here. Car pretty much drives almost the same as stock. It's filthy right now. I'm actually about to go wash the car because I do have to drop it off to get some parts painted. This is actually gonna be the last day you guys are gonna see this car. With this hood, this bumper in this condition, that front lip, and the rear bumper, because you guys look over here. This rear bumper kind of got damaged. I actually bought the car like this. This is like tire marks, I guess, that like rubbed off on here. So we got a new rear bumper. I got a brand new hood. You guys can probably tell what hood I'm going with. And also I'm gonna go ahead and get this bumper, front bumper repainted, because it's actually not damaged, it's just the paint's kind of coming off on it. And with the current intercooler setup that I have in the car right now, it makes sense just to repaint this front bumper, and then when I get the new setup, to throw on the fresh one. So let's go ahead and get a cold start. It's been like damn near a month since I've cold started this car. It's been a while since I heard the downshift of this car. We're gonna go for a little bit of a POV drive. I'm not gonna get on it because I have to literally break this clutch in. Like I said previously, this clutch engages like a little bit at the top end. It's definitely more aggressive than the previous clutch that I had in this car. If you guys are unaware, if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you guys do so, because I kind of tease a lot of stuff that I do on the car before I actually drop it on YouTube. But this car actually had a McLeod clutch already in it. I believe it was just the stock replacement style McLeod clutch in here, because this clutch that's in the car right now, it's like the street clutch rated for about like 550, 600 wheel horsepower. And this one is a little bit more aggressive. It engages a little bit higher. So I do have to kind of get used to it. And also do not pay attention to this gauge. I think when I went ahead and had to have like the car's front end just completely just dropped, like, because I have the long tube headers. I mean, it's a complete bitch to do a clutch with long tube headers installed. I think something happened with the wiring, so I definitely have to go ahead and look at that. This actually happened before, where this air fuel ratio kind of just was giving inaccurate readings. Woo. So definitely have to go ahead and take a look at that. It's like, it's still kind of weird because like I can't drive the car, because I said I grind it like 4th gear trying to go into gear. I can't drive the car like how I used to. Like you have to put this car in gear with this clutch, otherwise it won't go in gear. So it's a little bit more aggressive. I've just got to get used to it, but I do like the feel. It's just a little bit different. Now I'm not gonna lie, The transmission does feel a little bit on the sketch end of things. Reverse is very sketchy now. Fourth gear, you saw I kind of grinded fourth gear there, even though like I didn't really like put it in gear as quickly as I should, because I'm still kind of getting used to this clutch. Fourth gear's a little bit sketchy, so we'll see, but here we go. Like the air fuel ratio kind of just turns on, reads, you know, erroneous readings, and then just kind of goes back off. So I definitely got to go ahead and rewire it. I mean, it went to 18. Now, obviously it's not at 18, but 20. I mean, it's kind of all over the place right now. We're just gonna go ahead and, you know, break this clutch in, get used to everything. This way. It's kind of, you really have to put this car in gear now. Like, you can't I cannot. This is definitely a more aggressive clutch than what I had before. I definitely have to get used to this, definitely, because like you can't, like, you know, shift slow. You gotta like put it in gear. This clutch, the way it engages is so much different. gotta force this thing into gear now. Or not really force it, but like you can't baby it anymore. Like you have to put the car in gear with this clutch. I think I like it with my new short throw shifter. I might have put on the car too, but it definitely is a completely different feel. Completely different feel. But I like it. I mean, it's more aggressive, feels good. You know when, you know, the car needs to be engaged. Yeah, I just got to get used to it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm kind of gonna wrap it up here. I got some things I gotta take care of today. Just want to go ahead and drive the car around, kind of get more of a feel for it. I will get used to it because this is literally like technically like the second time I'm driving this car after the clutch install. So I got like, I don't know, 490 more miles to go to break this thing in. So time will tell. Hope y'all enjoyed. I'm gonna catch y'all next video. Deuces.